Welcome to Nerdwatch, where we find the nerds who matter. Meet Amy Robinson, a creative director at MIT's Media Lab, who's trying to map the brain with video games. The brain is made up of more than 100 billion neurons. To make advances in brain research, scientists need to painstakingly identify individual neurons as well as the connections and spaces between them. Imagine the early cartographers exploring all the nooks and crannies of the continents and slowly building a map of the world. That's basically where brain research is today. The problem is it can take the fastest computers more than 2 days to map a single neuron. And that's where Amy comes in. She's working on a video game called Eyewire that's speeding up the research through crowdsourcing. The game takes images of neurons, in this case retinal cells that connect the eyes and the brain, and challenges gamers to map them. Players identify the wiring of the neurons in a kind of puzzle game. The faster and more accurate they are, the higher they score. The research is a project of MIT's Sun Lab, where it's used to create a clear, detailed map. So far, over 100,000 people have played Eyewire, and each time, the model of the brain improves. It's just an example of how video games might not be so bad for your brain after all.